What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Tech Teachers, where we talk all tech products. I'm your host, JC. Let's get into today's show. Today we're going to be talking about the Iclever Multi-Device Bluetooth Keyboard. First, we're going to unbox it, and then I'm going to give you a little review and tell you some things about this keyboard. First, let's unbox it. I'm always looking for good products, especially when you work and you want to work fast, you want something sturdy. So I'm always looking for good product, and I need a nice keyboard. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm giving you my full opinion on a product that I purchased, just to let you know, because I know a lot of the times people think you're giving a fake review because you got paid. I didn't get paid for this. I bought this out of my own pocket. So I'm going to give you a good review on this. First, you have the USB charging cable. You got the keyboard. What you see is built with premium stainless steel and ABS, so it's a nice quality. Also in the box you have the menu, and I guess they want you happy with the little bear. Oh, this is so you can give your opinion. Happy? Not happy. Right now I'm happy, but if I don't get happy with it, I'll do another review, and I'll tell you that too. But anyway, this is a Bluetooth 5.1 connection. Most of the time when you're getting a device, you want to make sure it got a sturdy Bluetooth connection. I hate when I get a device and it doesn't always connect when I want it to, or it doesn't act right when connecting. This has a 5.1 Bluetooth connection, which has a strong connection, so your device will stay connected to whatever you have it hooked up to. This works with PC. This works with Mac, so that's Windows and Mac OS. This also works with Android and iOS. So basically it works with any device that you have. And since we have the Bluetooth 5.1, that means we'll have a good connectivity. As I stated, this is built from premium stainless steel and ABS, which makes it sturdy. This is a full-size keyboard with a number pad. And as you see, on the top part of this keyboard is 3 buttons. On them 3 buttons, you could set each one of them to a different device. That's why it's called the multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. I bought it because at this time right here, I'm using the Surface Pro 4. I have an older MacBook that I'm using, and I'm also using my iPad. So at times, I might have all of them doing 3 different things at the same time, multitasking. So when you're doing that, you could select which one you want on which button. It has 3 Bluetooth buttons. All you do is hold the button down, and you wait till it blinks. Then you go to your device, and you look for the Iclever keyboard. You sync up to it, and once you hit that button to pair to it, you let this go, and it'll automatically become blue. Once it's a sturdy blue, you know that device is connected to that keyboard. To do the same thing to the next one, again, you hold it down till it's blinking. After it's blinking, you go to your device. On your device, you look for the Iclever Bluetooth keyboard, and you press the pair button, and you pair to it. Once you pair, then this light on the keyboard will become blue, and it'll stay blue, no more blinking. That's how you know your device is paired to it. And then you do the same thing for the third one. Now, how you switch between them, you press down whatever button 1, 2, or 3 that you want to connect to. You have to remember what you connected it to and what number you connected it to. Once you do that, All you have to do is press that number, and once you press that number and you hold down for 1 second, let it go, and it'll connect to that device. You will see that device light on the top of it turn blue. Once you do that, you know it's connected. Now this keyboard have more of a square key. It has low profile keystrokes, but they're more square. When I first got this keyboard and I started using it, I felt like the keys are too big because they're a nice size. They're not small, so you miss typing or typing on another letter. They're a big size so that you can type on each key itself. But sometimes until you get used to it, it will become irritating. So you just got to get used to using the keyboard. It's a nice keyboard, especially for the multi-device, if you're using multi-devices. And a lot of the times when we multitasking, you are using multi-devices. So if you got an iMac or desktop Windows computer, you can have it there. And then if you got a laptop, you can have it there, and you can switch back and forth without having to pull your laptop right in front of you. And you can type on it. If it's sitting off to the side, or if it's sitting like mine on a desk mount or a desk stand, then you can sit there and just press the button, turn the keyboard on, and switch to the other system and start typing. Later on, I'm also going to do a review on a multi-device mouse because I'm set up the same way. So we'll talk about that later. But for now, I just wanted to give you a review on the Iclever 5.1 keyboard, which is a nice device. Right now, I'm still using it. I'll probably do a review later just to update you guys and see if I still like it, maybe after a couple months. As of right now, this is a good keyboard. I would recommend it to people who are using multi-devices, who want a slim fit. Now, mind you, this is slim. You can see it is real slim. I would recommend this for people who are looking for an ultra slim keyboard that work with multi-devices. I would say you can pick this up. I'll put the links below so you can look it up. Right now, I'm not set up with the affiliate program. I'm working on that. So if you click the link, I don't get nothing off it. I just want to share with you my experiences and tech that I've used. When something gets sent to me, I also would tell you that and be honest with you and give a good review, a bad review on the product. So click the subscribe button down below and also hit that bell so you get every notification every time I put up a video. I'm working hard. I got a lot of videos coming. You see I'm in a new location. Every so often, I'm going to switch locations. I'm going to try to make it better every time. You get better quality. You get better quality camera. You get better quality products. You want to switch, make it look better. Hopefully, this location looks better than the last one I used. I'm going to go back and forth and switching and getting new locations. Leave a comment in the comment on all products. If you have a question, I do answer them. A lot of the times, I see your comments right away, and I will answer back. Give me a comment on the location. Use the location. Don't like the location. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I consider what you're saying. Just leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe again and hit that notification bell. And again, welcome to Tech Teachers. I'm your host, JC. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.